Ever dreamed of having your own kitchen herb garden? Imagine the aroma of fresh herbs filling your kitchen. Today, we'll help you make that dream a reality. We're about to explore the top 5 herbs that will transform your cooking experience. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 5 herbs you should consider for your kitchen herb garden. First on our list is basil, a culinary superstar. Known for its robust flavor, basil enhances various dishes from pasta to salads. It's rich in antioxidants and easy to cultivate indoors or outdoors. So, for a versatile herb that's easy to grow, basil is your best bet. Next up is mint, the refreshing herb. Known for its cool, invigorating scent, mint is a versatile addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Growing mint at home is a breeze. Just ensure it has ample sunlight and water. For a refreshing twist to your dishes, mint is a must-have. Third on our list is rosemary, the fragrant herb. Beloved for its pine-like fragrance and savory flavor, rosemary is a kitchen staple. Easily grown at home, it thrives in well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. For an herb that fills your kitchen with a lovely aroma, rosemary is ideal. Fourth on our list is parsley, the garnishing gem. This vibrant green herb not only adds a visual appeal to dishes, but also packs a nutritional punch. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, it's easy to grow, thriving in well-drained soil and full sun. For a herb that adds a dash of green and a pop of flavor, parsley is perfect. Last but not least, we have thyme, the robust herb. Thyme thrives with its bold, earthy flavor, perfect for adding depth to your dishes. This hardy herb loves sunlight and well-drained soil, making it a joy to cultivate. For a herb that packs a punch, thyme is the way to go. There you have it, the top 5 herbs for your kitchen herb garden. Basil, mint, rosemary, parsley, and thyme. Each brings its own unique aroma and flavor to brighten your culinary creations. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!